In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download assets in a Figma project. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly get the images, icons, or visual elements you need. Even if your team manages or previews Figma work through Framer, these directions will make it simple to grab the exports you're after. First, open the Framer website in your web browser. Using a modern browser helps everything load smoothly, and a stable internet connection will make the process faster. If you're prompted to sign in, just proceed as you normally do for your workspace. Keeping Framer bookmarked is a helpful habit so you can return to your projects in one click. Next, open your project. From your dashboard or workspace view, locate the project that contains the Figma content you want to export. Many teams organize projects by client, feature, or date, so take a moment to make sure you're opening the right one. Thumbnails and project names are your best clues. If your workspace has many files, use search to find it quickly. You'll want to confirm that you have edit or export permissions. If a project is shared with restricted access, you might only be able to view it, not export. In that case, reach out to your admin to adjust access before you proceed. Now, inside your project, click your file, then click Export. Opening the file brings you into the canvas where your frames, components, and assets live. Look for the Export option in the interface. It's typically associated with the selected item or available in the top or side controls. When you click Export, you'll see options to choose the format and quality. Pick what suits your use case. PNG or JPG for raster images, SVG for crisp, scalable icons and logos, and PDF if you need a vector-friendly document. If you see a scale or resolution setting, choose 1x for standard size or higher multiples for high-density screens. Naming your export clearly helps keep things organized, especially when you're downloading multiple assets. Once you confirm your choices, the download will begin, or you'll be prompted to save the file to your computer. Keep a dedicated folder for exports so you can quickly find them later. If you have more assets to download, repeat the same process on each file. That's it. You opened the Framer website, opened your project, clicked your file, and clicked Export. With these simple actions, you can confidently download the assets you need and keep your workflow moving.